In 2025, drones evolved from isolated tools to connected systems. DJI Enterprise remains committed to bridging the gap from awareness to decision and action. Wherever the need arises, you are ready to respond. For routine tasks and emergency calls, DJI Dock 3 is always on standby. Whether stationed or mobile, teams are assured a 24/7 remote response when it matters most. In critical moments where speed is vital, the agile, efficient Matrice 4 responds instantly. Advanced onboard computing handles smart detection, counting, and alerts seamlessly. For the harshest environments, the flagship Matrice 400 ensures a steadfast response. With extended endurance and heavy payload capacity, it takes on complex tasks with confidence. The 3D world is transformed. With Zenmuse L3 and DJI Terra's Gaussian splatting, raw data becomes high-accuracy 3D models. What was once uncertain is now clear, supporting faster, more precise decision-making. To unify response, flight, operations, analysis, and decisions, DJI Flight Hub 2 has evolved. With the addition of multimodal LLM capabilities and on-premises solutions, it coordinates a faster, more intelligent workflow. A complete ecosystem, ready anywhere, anytime. Over the past year, from emergency front lines to critical energy infrastructure to safeguarding the natural world, DJI Enterprise stands by your side, ready to answer the call.